Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive in Trinidad and Tobago on July 3rd for a landmark two-day official visit, his first ever to the Caribbean nation as Prime Minister and the first at this level since 1999. This visit, at the invitation of Prime Minister Kamala Prasad Bharati, comes at a time when India is actively expanding its global footprint through partnerships rooted in culture, commerce, and cooperation. With over 40% of Trinidad and Tobago's population being of Indian descent, the emotional and cultural resonance of this visit is immense. The Indian diaspora, some tracing their roots back 5 generations, continues to play a vital role in the country's social and economic fabric. Trinidad and Tobago is also home to a growing number of first generation Indian entrepreneurs, many of whom see this visit as a chance to boost trade and investment between the two nations.
Prime Minister Modi, I think, is one of the more admired leaders in the world. I think we as Indians are very happy with the progress that we see India making. The people of Trinidad, the Indian people in Trinidad, have always identified very closely with their Indian culture. It's going to strengthen the ties, I think, and I think people are going to identify with it, and I think it will probably push it even further.
The country is very happy to have a visit like him, such a high-profile visit, and it's something that I think a lot of bilateral talks can happen and a lot of trade that can happen for this country, and it could benefit a lot for this country as well, and not only for Trinidad, Tobago, but for the rest of the Caribbean islands as well, and it'll be something that it's a good thing.
Ahead of the visit, the Indian High Commissioner to Trinidad and Tobago says the mood in the country is one of excitement and pride.
Visit of Prime Minister Modi ji has been long awaited, as I said. All along in the country, among people, among government, there is a great excitement. They have actually announced a holiday after certain hours on that day. So everyone is looking forward to this.
During his stay, Prime Minister Modi is expected to hold high-level talks with both President Christine Carla Kangalu and Prime Minister Prasad Bharati. He will also address a special joint session of Parliament, underscoring the importance of this partnership rooted in shared democratic values and historic ties.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Trinidad and Tobago is not just a diplomatic event, it's also a celebration of a people that came to this land 180 years back as indentured labourers and through resilience, strength and endurance have shaped their destiny to become entrepreneurs, policymakers and leaders of this country. With camera person Mohit Uike at Port of Spain in Trinidad and Tobago, Akshay Dongre, DD India.